I'm Steve Asuri. I'm the CEO of Pharm. We are a Madison-based company and we provide advanced biomaterials for drug discovery and therapeutic applications. And more specifically, what we do is we create three-dimensional in vitro tissue models that are stem cell derived using our proprietary and patented biomaterials and methods. As an example, we can create miniature brains in a dish that drug development scientists will use for screening applications to develop safer and more efficacious drugs. So our technology also benefits patients because safer and more efficacious drugs reach the marketplace. Unfortunately, today, only about 1 in 10 drugs that go through clinical studies actually make it to the marketplace, so lots of failures along the way. And our technology can really improve those odds and reduce the risks. There's also potential benefits if these tools produce more accurate models that we can one day reduce, if not eliminate, the use of animal testing in drug discovery.